Okay.
I just want to give a toast to the last time you're going to see this beautiful body. And then when I spin like that, it spins into the new body a year from now. You feel me? So, toast.
What are you gonna do?
You're going to lose 25 pounds before the year is over and save $30,000.
For what?
For a stupid wedding.
Stupid.
Very nice wedding, but it's very expensive, stupid wedding. Cheers. Toast. Get out of here, stupid! It's Bud Express, baby, feel me? It's all about the whoop, 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 whoop. Watch the cuts, watch the cuts. Watch the cuts, watch the cuts. Never drop a spill of the juice. Watch the cuts, watch the cuts. One punch from me forever. Oh. One punch. Cheers. Whoop whoop. I lost hella weight right there. I'm tired already. Cut. I'm tired. I was sweaty already. Cut already.